Hello everyone. Do you know? Listening to English every day is one of the best ways to improve your English. That's why you need to listen to English conversation every day for at least 10 minutes. For this reason, we are creating 30 Days Beginner English Listening Challenge. Here you can listen to simple stories and practice your English. Welcome to day 11 of our 30 Days English Listening Challenge. Today's story is about my daily bus ride. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Welcome to Daily English Listening. Let's improve your skills.
Every weekday begins in the same way for me. I wake up early because I need to catch the bus to school. My alarm rings at 6 o'clock. I get out of bed, wash my face, and get ready for the day. After breakfast, I put my books into my backpack. I check everything one more time before I leave home. The bus stop is about 5 minutes from my house. I enjoy the short walk every morning. The streets are quiet and the air is cool. Some people are walking to work. Some students are wearing school uniforms. A few shops are opening for the day. The city is slowly waking up. When I arrive at the bus stop, a few people are already waiting. Every morning, I see many of the same faces. An elderly man reads the newspaper. A woman drinks coffee from a paper cup. Two students stand together and quietly look at their phones. Everyone is waiting for the same bus. I look down the road. After a few minutes, I see the big blue bus coming toward the bus stop. The bus becomes larger and larger. Soon it stops in front of us. The door opens and the passengers get off first. Then the people at the bus stop begin to get on. I greet the driver with a smile. I tap my bus card and walk inside. Sometimes the bus is almost empty. Sometimes it is very full. Today there are still a few empty seats. I find a seat near the window. Sitting by the window is my favorite part of the journey. The bus starts moving again. It leaves the bus stop and joins the morning traffic. I look out of the window. The streets become busier every minute. Cars, buses, bicycles, and motorcycles fill the road. People walk quickly because everyone wants to arrive on time. The bus stops at another bus stop. More passengers get on. A young mother gets on with her little daughter. A man carries a small backpack. Two office workers stand near the door because there are no empty seats. The driver welcomes every passenger with a friendly smile. As the bus continues, I watch the city through the window. I see tall buildings, small houses, parks, schools, restaurants, and busy markets. Every morning, I see the same places, but each day feels a little different. Sometimes the sky is bright blue. Sometimes it is cloudy. Sometimes light rain falls on the windows. Every journey has something new to see. I enjoy these quiet moments. Before my busy day begins, I can relax for a short time. I do not need to hurry. I simply sit by the window and watch the world move around me. After about 15 minutes, the traffic becomes heavier. The bus moves more slowly. Many cars are waiting at the traffic lights. The driver stays calm and careful. Safety is always important. I look at my watch. There is still enough time before school begins. I am not worried. I know the bus will arrive soon. I lean back in my seat and continue watching the city as another peaceful morning journey continues. The bus continues its journey through the city. It stops at another bus stop. More passengers get on the bus. Some passengers find empty seats. Some passengers stand near the door. The bus becomes busy. I stay in my seat by the window. I enjoy looking outside. The city is full of life. People are walking to work. Students are going to school. Many shops are open now. Some people are buying breakfast. I see a bakery. Fresh bread is on the shelves. The smell reaches the street. I see a fruit shop. There are apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. The colors look beautiful. The traffic is slow today. Many cars are on the road. A truck stops at the traffic light. Many motorcycles pass the bus. Some people ride bicycles. Everyone is going somewhere. The driver stays calm. He drives carefully. He follows every traffic rule. I feel safe on the bus. Soon the traffic starts moving again. The bus moves forward. The journey becomes smooth. I enjoy watching the buildings. Some buildings are very tall. Some buildings are old. Some buildings have colorful signs. I also see many trees. The green leaves move in the wind. They make the streets look beautiful. The weather is nice today. The sky is bright blue. White clouds move slowly. Sunlight shines through the bus window. The warm sunlight makes me feel comfortable. I open my notebook. I read a few pages. Sometimes I study on the bus. Sometimes I read an English story. Sometimes I just look outside. Every day is different. A few minutes later, the bus stops again. An elderly woman gets on the bus. She looks around. There are no empty seats. A young man stands up. He offers his seat to her. The woman smiles. She sits down. I like seeing kind people. Small acts of kindness make the day better. The bus continues its journey. The driver announces the next stop. Some passengers press the stop button. The bus slows down. The door opens. A few passengers get off. The bus becomes quieter. Now there are more empty seats. The air inside the bus feels fresh. I take a deep breath. I enjoy this peaceful moment. As we leave the busy streets, we pass a large park. Many people are walking. Some people are jogging. Children are playing on the grass. A few people are walking their dogs. The park looks peaceful. I like looking at nature. It helps me relax. The bus crosses a small bridge. A river flows below. The water shines in the sunlight. I see several ducks swimming. The view is beautiful. I smile. My daily bus ride is never boring. Every day I notice something different. Sometimes I see a rainbow after the rain. Sometimes I see beautiful flowers. Sometimes I see birds flying across the sky. These small moments make every journey special. I look at my watch again. My school is not far away now. Only a few more stops remain. I close my notebook. I put it back into my backpack. I look out of the window once more. The school building is getting closer. Soon, another day of learning will begin. The bus stops at the next bus stop. This is my stop. I stand up slowly. I put on my backpack. I thank the driver. Then I get off the bus. The morning air feels fresh. I look around. Many students are walking toward the school. Some students walk with their friends. Some students walk alone. Everyone is ready for a new day. My school is only a few minutes away. I walk along the sidewalk. There are many trees beside the road. The leaves move in the wind. Birds are singing in the trees. The morning feels calm. Soon, I arrive at the school gate. I walk into the schoolyard. Many students are already there. Some students are talking. Some students are reading. Some students are sitting on benches. Everyone looks busy. The school bell has not rung yet. I still have a little time. I sit on a bench. I take out my English book. I read a few pages. Reading in the morning helps me focus. After a few minutes, the school bell rings. I stand up. I put my book into my backpack. Then I walk to my classroom. My school day begins. The day passes quickly. I learn many new things. I enjoy my classes. I meet my friends. I eat lunch. I study hard. Soon the school day is over. It is time to go home. I walk back to the bus stop. Many students are waiting there. Some students are talking about school. Some students are laughing. Some students are listening to music. I wait quietly. Soon my bus arrives. I get on the bus. This time the bus is less crowded. Many passengers are going home after work. I find a seat near the window again. The afternoon looks different. The sunlight is softer. The streets are still busy. People are shopping. Children are playing in small parks. Some people are walking home. The city feels calm. I enjoy the ride. It gives me time to relax after a busy day. I think about my classes. I think about my homework. I think about tomorrow. The bus continues through the city. I watch the buildings pass by. I watch the cars. I watch the people. Every day I see something new. Sometimes I see a beautiful sunset. Sometimes I see dark clouds before the rain. Sometimes I see children flying kites. Every journey is different. That is why I enjoy my daily bus ride. It is not only a way to travel. It is also a quiet time for me. I can think. I can relax. I can enjoy the world outside my window. Soon, the bus reaches my bus stop. I stand up. I thank the driver again. Then I get off the bus. I walk home slowly. The sky is turning orange. The evening air feels cool. When I arrive home, my family welcomes me. I put down my backpack. I change my clothes. Then I have dinner with my family. Later, I finish my homework. I read a book for a while. Then I get ready for bed. Before I sleep, I think about my day. I remember the quiet bus ride. I remember the people. I remember the beautiful view from the window. Tomorrow morning, I will take the same bus again. The journey will be the same. But every day brings something new to see. That is why I enjoy my daily bus ride. It is a simple part of my life, but it makes every day a little more interesting. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.